So Josh sold everything he owns in his whole life for a turbo GLI. Just kidding. Like I said before, Josh works with his buddy Blake at a Volkswagen shop. So now we have 1, 2, and 3 over on the side. And well, because he's transferring shops and everything, so that's pretty much it. And today we're also going to continue putting the new radiator in and swapping out all the crappy reinforced plastics for the aluminum pieces. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And also, well, real quick, we have to go to AutoZone to go get the thermostat for it, and hopefully it's the right one, so we'll see. Here's the other Jetta. This one's a 24 valve. He's about to start this one up. This one sounds pretty decent from what he said, so we'll figure it out. Is it straight pipe? I don't see it. I don't see an exhaust on the end. Not true. Oh yeah, it comes out like right before the axle. So just more of the update stuff. We got some of the aluminum pieces in. The dude that sold Josh the kit said it was for a automatic, but it turns out to be it's for a 5-speed. And the only there's a couple of differences. Like for this, to go to the transmission cooler, for automatic it goes from there to down there. 5-speed goes from there all the way to the back, like the heater cord. So we had to rig up an intake hose to go around to this and elbow, and there's a little bit of a crease on it, but you can't really see it. You can see a little kink right into there, and yeah. So hopefully that'll work. And it's also intake hose, so I'm hoping the intake hose will hold up to the high temperatures with the water and everything. My logic.
Turbo sides.
Yeah, it came off the turbo side right here, so I'm gonna think yeah it should, because it's right on top of the engine heat, touching right where the exhaust, or like the exhaust part of the turbo is, so should be able to hold it at least. But there's that piece. There's the thermostat housing right here. It's aluminum, and a couple in between pieces from over here that we still got to put on. That's going to be aluminum as well. I don't know if I showed it, but we finished putting on the dressing kit with the intercooler to throttle body, and down here as well from the turbo to intercooler. These two pieces right up here, and that's pretty much it. Now that boot right here, this was also for a 5-speed. It's supposed to go right here, but the 5-speed one's a little long, I think, on this part, so it makes it crooked, like bend up a little bit, so you won't see it anyway, so there's no need for a dress up. So we're gonna just button up the rest of this stuff and then throw the radiator on, and she should be done. Fingers crossed.
VTO.
Alright, so after a lot of bullshit, we got it all up. We're about to start it now. Or at least let the secondary water pump. Benefits of having AC. Damn, she's cold. No, it's not. It's bubbly. Robin? So right now we're just gonna take the Jetta around the block or whatever, see how she does. So here goes some turbo Jetta pulls. boiling water. Check the ground. Nothing.
I lost some brake